Happy back to school week for everyone who's going back to school this week. My kids are. This is Wednesday, the first early release day for my kiddo, so I'm in line waiting to pick him up. And I found something out today about the Sage Energy system that is a little disappointing. It's not their fault, it's not their issue, but something has changed between the beta version of the app that I had and now. My understanding is that there's a safety measure that maybe wasn't there before. And if the car does not report back if you're using bidirectional charging and the car is not reporting back its state of charge, which the Rivian never has, then it will shut down. So right now, my Mustang Mach-E works flawlessly. It's fantastic, but the Rivian is not reporting its state of charge back to the charger, and as a result it will discharge to the house or the grid, whatever I'm asking it to do, for almost exactly 20 minutes every time, and then disconnect and fault on the charger. So then if I come out and unplug it, plug it back in, it will work again. But that means that the things I'm trying to do with scheduling and selling back to the grid and all that kind of stuff, I'm not able to do with a Rivian right now. So that's an update. I just want people to be aware who might be interested in buying this system. It should work when the global communication protocol between vehicles and chargers is supposed to be agreed upon and put in place at some point soon. And Rivian has also said that they'll fully support V2X from their side by sometime in 2026. So it's not that the system's never going to work. It's not that it's not working right now. I get that 20 minutes, so it's working. I can still fast charge, I can still solar excess charge, but if I try and discharge from the vehicle, I've got 20 minutes and that's it. So I'm not entirely sure exactly how that's going to be solved. I'm going to be reaching out to Rivian. So if anyone from Rivian is watching this and they are interested in reaching out to me, my contact details are on my page. But I'm going to be reaching out to them, and hopefully I can work with them, maybe kick this ball a little closer to the goal, and hopefully benefit all of us with Rivians. So again, I think it's a great system, the Sage Energy system. It's the first and only system, as far as I'm aware, that's a universal V2X that you can actually buy right now in the USA. It's amazing. It works flawlessly with the Mustang Mach-E, but there are some vehicles that it's just not working with, or not working with fully right now, and unfortunately that list now includes the Rivian. So the proof is in the pudding, as far as it works, because it works for that 20 minutes. It's just the vehicle stops communicating or won't communicate with the charger, and then it will cease working as a safety issue with the charger, because they don't want to overdraw or overcharge your vehicle.